The Ridstar H20 folding electric bike is a versatile, high-performance option designed for urban commuting and adventurous off-road rides alike. Powered by a robust 1000W motor with a peak output of 1500W, it delivers powerful acceleration and a top speed of over 28 miles per hour, giving you the confidence and freedom to tackle both city streets and rugged trails with ease. Whether you're rushing to work or exploring your surroundings, this e-bike ensures you get there faster and more efficiently. At the heart of the Ridstar H20 is its 48V 15AH removable lithium battery, which offers a long-lasting and reliable energy source. The battery charges fully within 4 to 6 hours and provides a generous riding range of 60 to 90 kilometers, 37 to 56 miles. In pure electric mode, extendable even further when using pedal assist, it's an ideal range for daily commutes, long weekend rides, or running errands around town without worrying about frequent charging. The 20 by 4.0-inch fat tires are built for all-terrain performance. From paved roads to gravel, sand, or snowy paths, the wide tires offer superior traction and stability, while their natural shock-absorbing properties add to rider comfort. Combined with a full suspension system, featuring lockable and adjustable dual shock absorbers at both the front and rear, the H20 delivers a smooth, balanced, and controlled riding experience across varied surfaces. For stopping power, the bike features responsive dual disc brakes that ensure safe, quick deceleration even at high speeds. The Shimano 7-speed gear system complements the powerful motor by offering smooth and efficient shifting, giving you better control over speed and torque depending on road conditions or terrain. Built to accommodate riders of all sizes, the Ridstar H20 supports a maximum load of 330 pounds. Its folding frame adds a layer of practicality, making it easy to store at home, carry in your car trunk, or bring along on a road trip. Whether you're navigating urban landscapes or heading out on nature trails, this electric bike combines power, durability, and convenience in one foldable, high-performance package.